What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Phantom wallet. Now for those people who do not know Phantom, Phantom is a Chrome extension wallet which runs on the Solana network. And since it runs on the Solana network, you guys can easily buy Solana NFTs and do transaction related with Solana or the transaction of tokens which runs on the Solana network. Alright. So with that said, if you guys understand what Phantom Wallet is, then let me show you guys how you guys can log in into it. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel app tutorial, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for our future video. And with that said, let's jump right into the video, shall we? So the first step is you want to add your, Phantom Wallet to our extension. So I hope you have already done that. And then just open your Phantom Wallet just like this. After you open it, it's going to take you to the website first because you have not yet logged in into your account or signed up into it, alright? And then click on use secret recovery phrase. So what it means is when you create your Phantom Wallet, it's going to give you a 12-word recovery phrase. And you need to have that 12-word recovery phrase. Because if you don't have that, then you can't ever log in into your Phantom Wallet again. Because that's a security code. So I hope you have saved that because when you create an account, they also give you a warning like do not lose this code, alright? So I hope you read that and you have saved it somewhere else. So watch the code and paste it over here. Paste the code over here just like this. And after you paste the code, basically what you want to do is import secret recovery phrase. Once you do that, on the next step, it's going to ask you to choose the, type of wallet you have. So I have the first wallet because that's the wallet address. And just click on import selected account because you can run multiple accounts within a single seed phrase. And then create a password for your account over here like this. You don't need to enter your older one. You can create a new password. The only thing you need to remember is that 12-word recovery phrase, all right? And just agree to its terms and service, save, and it's done. So yeah, that's how you guys can log in into your Phantom Wallet. I'm just gonna open it and show you guys, and boom. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and bye bye.